For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
8 terrorists were killed in 2 separate encounters in Shopian and Pampore in Jammu and Kashmir in the last 24 hours. In Pampore operation, security forces eliminated 2 terrorists holed inside a mosque. As per DGP Dilbagh Singh, the operation was conducted in a professional manner by the ground officials without minimal damage.
But our field commanders on ground exercised lots of restraint. We continue to keep that area in a cordon and use slightly different tactics and ways to handle this operation.
Security forces launched a search operation at Meej, Pampore area of Jammu and Kashmir after receiving specific information about the presence of the terrorists in the mosque. The search operation turned into an encounter after militants initiated the gunfight. One terrorist was gunned down on June 18th, while others took refuge in the mosque. The operation continued throughout the night. Later, the security forces hurled up tear gas smoke shells to force the terrorists to come out, in which 3 of them died. After the operation was successful, the local residents thanked the officials for maintaining the sanctity of the mosque during the operation.
You only would all be agreeing with us that the kind of thanksgiving which came from the people. I've seen a couple of videos coming from the people themselves that the police and the forces have conducted this operation in an extremely professional way, and even the minutest loss, damage to the mosque have been prevented. It goes to the credit of our field commanders and our members of the force working on ground.
This is the first time where the security forces used tear smoke gas shells during the operation. Another anti-terrorism operation took place in Shopian area on the same day. 4 more militants died in an encounter between the militants and security forces. The security forces had launched an operation after receiving intelligence inputs about the presence of the terrorists. While 1 terrorist was gunned down on Thursday night, 3 more were killed in the encounter today. DGP Dilbagh Singh stated that it was a peaceful operation.
Shopian operation was also a clean operation. These groups belong to HM and LEP. Identifications and all would follow later, but as of now, 8 of them who were threat to the civil society, day in and day out, was harassing people, causing physical loss to them, have met their end.
IGP Kashmir Vijay Kumar congratulated the security forces for killing 100 terrorists in the valley.
I congratulate the security forces for killing 100 terrorists so far in Jammu and Kashmir.
The commander B.S. Raju stated that within the next few months, normalcy would be brought in the valley.
I would also compliment the Awam of Kashmir because they are believing in peace, and it is their belief in peace which is leading to these successful operations. And I'm sure at the end of the next few months, we will be able to take this peace process forward and ensure that normalcy is brought into the environment.
As per DGP Dilbagh Singh, they were successful in stabilizing terror outfits in the valley.
Forward to further stabilizing peace in this region which has been troubled for very, very long. During the last about 5.5 months, 100 plus terrorists have been neutralized. 50 plus of them are from Hizbul Mujahideen, around 20 of them Lashkar-e-Tauba, 20 of them from Jaish-e-Mohammed, and the rest are from smaller outfits like Al-Badr, AGH, etc., etc.
Corps Commander B.S. Raju further blamed Pakistan for disturbing peace in the valley.
I've said this earlier that if there is one entity in the world who is not happy with peace in the valley, it is Pakistan. The moment there is peace in the valley, he generates violence, both from across as ceasefire violations, as well as sending instructions to entities or his proxies within the valley to generate violence.
Security forces are on high alert in the valley as the India-China face-off has intensified in Ladakh.